Hey everyone, Morgan here, and today we are doing a review of a product under $20, and this one is even under $15. This was a suggestion from a follower, and I just thought it was such a good idea to start recommending more budget-friendly products. And like this one I chose specifically because a lot of people ask for indoor cooking options. Well, this right here, this alcohol stove is a great indoor cooking option as long as you have this denatured alcohol. You don't want to use rubbing alcohol or anything else like that, the denatured alcohol. This is so easy to use. You just pour the denatured alcohol inside, light it up. It will look like it's not lit at first. You want to give it a couple seconds, maybe look at it, these kinds of things. It'll be really hard to see that it's lit, but try to get next to it, get down to it, and you'll see some glimmers of it being lit, and it'll start to kind of ignite a little bit more. There you go. You can start to see it a little bit. You see the wavy lines of the heat, and that's what we're looking for. So, and there it's lit. I thought it would be fun to test this out by melting some snow in this cook pot. This cook pot is actually pretty affordable too, but we're going to go ahead and time it to see how long it's going to take to melt this snow. And you guys will actually be able to see how much liquid comes from melted snow. It's kind of an eye opener if you've never done it before, but melting snow is a great way to get some extra water, but you got to melt a lot of snow is what I'm saying. So anyway, the timer is going, and we're going to see how long it takes to get this all melted up. But look how beautiful that pot sits on that surface of this whole setup. I love it. Okay, now you can do it.
Oh, it's still on.
There you go.
No fire out there.
Well, it looks like there's no fire, but it's a clear flame, if that makes any sense.
Get another fork and stab it?
Yeah. Sure.
Snow cones right now. Snow cones. How many minutes did it?
Put it back in. Good job.
Oh,
I don't know. I have a timer on.
wow. Pretty hot. Thanks, Liddy. Isn't pretty hot too. It is melted.
Yeah.
Okay, how many minutes did it take?
All right, it took a little over 5 minutes to be completely melted. So now in order to snuff it out, you guys don't touch, okay?
Yes, sir. Sit.
Just let it sit for a little bit.
Yes, sir.
We used maybe
Mommy.
half of the fuel. That's right. We use maybe half the oil. If you ever want to transport it, you can. I'm gonna let it cool for a minute, but you can just put this cap back on. There you go. Yeah, that. So what you do is you actually put this cap on, and then you put that on, and then you fold that in. Yep, just like that, and then you can carry it just like that. Hello. So this is a tiny little, super lightweight, $12. I love it. You could make one of these super easy, but this is super efficient. I feel like it's way more efficient than ones I've made myself or my husband's made. And plus you get this little stand here for your pots and things, which is a extra great bonus. Of course, you could always make something like this, but for $12, shoot, you get all this and you are ready to go on any adventure. What do you guys think?
Good.
Yeah, you like it?
Put this on and then this little stove pot.
The snuffer. Yeah, there you go.
Boom. Ready to go.
Boom. You can even put it inside your little pot if you take your little pot and stuff. Now the last step to this is to actually filter out all that stuff from that water. See, there's a bunch of stuff inside, so you actually want to filter that out. Whoops. See, it's catching all that big stuff. And if you wanted to at this point too, you could also go ahead and put the water back in and boil it. Of course, wipe that out because of all the other little chunks in there, but yeah. There we go. And you're left with
Water.
clean snow water.
Let me see. Let me see. Clean
snow water.
And you could drink it too.
Yeah, you can drink it or use it. And if you wanted to, again, you could put it through another filter or boil it just for extra safety. All in all, this is going to be fantastic for indoor use or backpacking on the go for your bug out bag. Honestly, kind of whatever you want. I'd get maybe a couple of these, to be honest. So this weighs just 5 ounces. It comes with a little bag as well. I didn't show it here, but it does come with a bag so you can carry it all together. Yes, you can put it in your pot as well, but you can carry it all together. It's really lightweight, compact. It is made of aluminum alloy, the stove stand, and then it's made of the brass stove. And then the base has that windscreen on there to help it out a little bit as well. So I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go find this for yourself and get it for just $12.99 today. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.